Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. And if you are new here, my name is Danny. This video is super exciting. I'm going to be trying out the Hero Cosmetics Rescue Balm along with their Mighty Patches for a week, and I'm just gonna be taking you along with me on this journey so you can see the results that I get. As you see here, I've got some blemishes to target, and if you don't, or if you haven't heard of Hero Cosmetics before, this is a brand that is known for their acne patches. And something to note about them is that they are a brand that has a simple approach. They say on their website that they want to be mindful of their ingredients, so they avoid the bad stuff like parabens, alcohol, and sulfates. So they are known for their Mighty Patches, which are acne patches, and they have a variety of different versions, but I will go over that a little bit later. But the main thing in this video that I'm going to be talking about is their Rescue Balm, and this is a rather new product to them. So I'm going to be testing this product out along with the Mighty Patches, and I'm just gonna take you along my journey. Now, I do want to disclose that this video is sponsored, and I am super excited to be doing this video, but I do want to let you guys know that I am not going to just take any sponsorship. I only accept sponsorships that are coming from brands that I am genuinely interested in, and I have actually been interested in trying the Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patches for quite a while, and then I was super interested to learn that they were launching this new product. So I just want you guys to know that even though this video is sponsored, I'm going to be telling you guys my complete honest opinions. I don't believe in, like, I'm not going to give you any fake opinions, and you'll be able to see it for yourself, because I'm going to take you along with me so you'll be able to see it. But I just want you to let you know that my goal here is to help you with the content that I create, so just know that. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So to start off, of course, I want to tell you what Rescue Balm is. So Rescue Balm targets blemishes with a powerful combination of ingredients like panthenol, allantoin, beta-glucan, and oligopeptides to quickly soothe and deeply moisturize your irritated, inflamed, or flaky skin. So it invisibly melts into your skin to relieve the look of temporary redness, dryness, and bumps. Rescue Balm also acts as an antibacterial moisturizer to protect your skin once you have popped a pimple or used a patch, and they're referring to one of their Mighty Patches. Rescue Balm adds moisture back into a dried out pimple, so this works great on dry areas. For how to use it, it says that you want to remove the patch and then wash your face, and of course they say that you can apply this and then also apply makeup on top of it. So kind of think of it as like a regular acne spot treatment type of thing, except for this main goal is moisturizing and helping to calm it down and just kind of rescuing it and helping to speed up that healing process of a blemish. So with a lot of acne spot treatments or acne treatments, they normally tend to like dry out the blemish, but this actually isn't like that. Basically, the Mighty Patch really kind of sucks out the gunk from the pimple, and then the Rescue Balm helps to soothe that and calm it down and just speed up that healing process. Before you apply the Rescue Balm, they recommend that you use one of their Mighty Patches, and they do have a variety of different versions. One of them is the Micropoint for blemishes, which is really great for early stage blemishes. So if you feel a blemish is lurking under your skin, the Micropoint patch helps to speed up the healing process of the developing whitehead. They also have a variety pack option, which includes 3 of their other types of Mighty Patches. It includes 12 of their original Mighty Patches, which is the nighttime acne patch, which has a magic ingredient in it, which is called hydrocolloid, which is a natural fluid absorbing gel that gently pulls out all the gunk that is trapped inside your pimple. The variety pack also includes the Mighty Patch Invisible Plus, which is a daytime acne patch. It has seamlessly tapered edges and a clear matte finish, which make it practically undetectable, so you can wear this during the day. The variety pack also comes with 2 of the Mighty Patch Surface, and these are great for larger areas like on your back. For all of the Mighty Patches, you're supposed to keep it on for 6 hours, so because of that, I do like to use them in the evening or at nighttime. Alright, you guys, so it is currently Monday. Last night, Sunday night, I did film another portion just applying the Mighty Patches for the first time. So I am going to insert that clip now, and then after that, I will continue. Alright you guys, so it is Sunday right now. This is the day technically before I am starting this whole trying the Rescue Balm for a week, and I'm going to be prepping by using the Invisible Plus patch. Now this is one that is supposed to be really great for daytime use, so I'm just going to be testing that out, and the main blemishes that I'm going to be using this on is right here. This one is pretty new, as well as this one, and this one is really irritated. Really irritated right now, and then this one is actually like an under the skin pimple, pretty much assist. This one actually would be great to use the Micropoint one, since that is for pimples under the skin, and I am going to use that for that at nighttime, but during the day it is about 4 o'clock right now. I'm going to be trying out the Invisible Plus, and I'm just going to apply that to this one as well as this one. So these are the main blemishes that I am going to be working on during this week. But yeah, so let's just apply this Invisible Plus. Alright, so this is what the little patch looks like. I'm just going to apply this right over top of that blemish. And oh wow, that almost like conceals that blemish. It doesn't look as red. That really does blend in the skin. Like, I really was not expecting it to blend in that much. Right, and then I'm also gonna apply it on this under the skin pimple as well. This is also the Invisible Plus. So now that we got those both applied, I'm actually really impressed at how actually invisible these look. It's really honestly not that noticeable. I feel like people won't even really notice unless they're like really looking up in your face, which people don't normally do that, so I think you'll be fine. I'm gonna leave these on for 6 hours. At 10 o'clock, I'm gonna switch these out for the original Mighty Patches. Those are the overnight versions, and I'm gonna leave that on for 6 hours. Well, it's gonna be more than 6 hours, but overnight, and then I will take them off in the morning. It is 10 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. I'm gonna wash my face, just gonna do my regular skincare routine, and then I'm gonna apply the nighttime patches, which are the original Mighty Patches. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply those. I'm gonna leave them on overnight, and then of course I will take them off in the morning, and that is when we are going to get to the main thing that this video is about, which is the Rescue Balm. So I will see you then. Alright, so as I mentioned in that other clip, I did say that these two pimples are the ones that I'm going to be targeting in this video. These are the main ones that I want to really speed up the healing process. I already removed the Mighty Patches that I applied last night, and now it is time to apply this Rescue Balm. And I will say that after removing the patches, like I really, like it kind of looks a little bit gross actually, because it does kind of suck that gunk out of your pimple, and I do think that it did help to do that, especially for this one. This one's still under the skin, so it didn't really suck out as much, but I actually do feel like it's kind of coming to the surface a little quicker than it normally would, and I know that's kind of quick to say that already, but normally I feel like when I have a cyst under the skin, it takes quite a while to really come to the surface, but it actually feels like it's a lot, like pretty close to reaching the surface. And then this blemish right here is feeling flatter, and I did see some gunk come out on that patch when I took it off this morning. And I did already cleanse my face. Of course, as you can tell, I did apply a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and I just put some mascara on. But right here, of course, I didn't put any makeup on. I'm going to be testing out this right now, so it's just the fresh, clean skin that I just cleansed. Apply it. Just a dab here. And this feels like pretty much like a moisturizer going on, like a decently thick moisturizer, not overly heavy or anything. It doesn't feel heavy going on, but it feels like a moisturizer. Very smooth texture. I think that this is going to be a really easy thing to add to my skincare routine. It's just one little step. Just cleanse my face like normal. Maybe do a toner. I like to do a rose water toner. You don't have to do that, but I've just been doing that recently. And then apply this, and then apply concealer if I want. However, I normally don't, but just super easy to add this to your routine. My hopes in using both the Mighty Patch and the Rescue Balm is that it's really going to help to speed up the process of healing these blemishes, and mainly hoping that this Rescue Balm is going to help to calm down the inflammation, because these pimples are pretty irritated. So my hope is that this is really going to help to calm it down and make it feel nourished and not so angry, and just help speed up that healing process. But now that that is applied, I'm just going to let this be for the rest of the day, and I will check in with you at nighttime just to kind of see how it's going, how the blemishes are feeling. So I will see you then. So it is Monday night, and honestly, there's not a whole lot that I can say about it yet, but I can say that this definitely is very moisturizing. The blemishes feel comfortable. They don't feel as irritated because they are being moisturized. They feel nourished. But other than that, there's not a whole lot to say yet besides that, so I will see you tomorrow. It is day 2 using both the Mighty Patches and also the Rescue Balm. I applied the Rescue Balm, of course, this morning. It is now evening, and I will say both of these blemishes feel significantly less painful. I was gonna say less irritated because it is also, they definitely are a lot less irritated than they were. It's definitely got that soothing effect going on, and it did a good job at moisturizing them. And yeah, so I am definitely liking this so far. I'm excited to see how this continues to go. It is day 3 now, and hopefully you guys can tell that these do both look a lot less inflamed, a lot less red. They aren't hurting nearly as much as they were on, of course, day 1. So far it's going great. I will see you all for day 4 check-in. It is day 4 now. Obviously, as you can tell, my hair is wet. I just got out of the shower. I did my regular little simple skincare routine, just a cleanser, a rose water toner, and then I applied the Rescue Balm. And hopefully you guys can really see these are really starting to heal up. I'm super excited about that. This one right here is literally pretty much completely gone. It's completely flat, just feels like regular skin. It just has a little bit of that hyperpigmentation left. And these the under the skin pimple, the cyst, it actually kind of turned into 2 cysts, but it's a lot calmer, like a lot calmer, and I feel like it's really going down. I almost don't know if they're even going to come to the surface. I feel like it's just kind of, they're just kind of flattening out and starting to just go away. But this Rescue Balm is really helping to calm it down, feel less painful. So it's going great, and I will see you all for tomorrow's check-in. This is day 6. I didn't do a check-in yesterday for day 5 just because I felt like I was getting a little bit repetitive with the things that I was saying. The blemishes didn't really look a whole lot different. There wasn't really anything extra to say. So I didn't do a check-in yesterday for day 5. So today is day 6, and things are going really good. This one is literally gone. This blemish is gone. It's just a little bit of that hyperpigmentation left over, and both of these cystic pimples are definitely, I feel like they're healing faster. Normally cystic pimples tend to feel pretty painful, but since I've been using the Rescue Balm, I feel like it's really been helping to make it just feel calm and not as irritated. Now that I've been using the Rescue Balm for 6 days now, I want to just kind of go through my skincare routines for you guys so you guys can actually see how I've been incorporating this into my routine. I just have a really simple routine going on. I just cleanse my face, use a toner, and then apply the Rescue Balm, and I might apply another moisturizer sometimes, and if I'm going out, I also may apply a tinted sunscreen. Super simple routine. So I'm just gonna go through that with you guys right now. So the first thing I'll do for my morning skincare routine is I will cleanse my face with the Gunilla of Sweden acne cleanser, and this is just an aloe based cleanser that also has 2% salicylic acid, so it's a super simple cleanser. So I'll just cleanse my skin with that in the morning, really just massage it into my skin and then wash it off, and then of course I pat my skin dry. After that, I will use the Cocoa Kind Rose Water Toner. I just take a little cotton pad and I do about 5 sprays. And then the third step is the Rescue Balm. So this is where I apply the Rescue Balm just onto those blemishes. Of course, the ones that I have been targeting this whole week. I've gained a couple extra blemishes. I have been applying the Rescue Balm to these as well, just to help calm them down. And after that, I might also apply a moisturizer all over my face. And if I do, I've been using the Face Theory Super Gel Moisturizer. It's an oil-free moisturizer. It's great for those with combination or oily acne-prone skin. Sometimes if I'm going out, I will apply a sunscreen. The Suntegrity Impeccable Skin Mineral Matte Tinted Coverage. I really enjoy this sunscreen, and it just gives a little tint as well, so it helps to kind of smooth and even out the skin tone. So that is the entire skincare routine that I have been doing this week. Super simple and easy, and I think that it's been going really well, and I am really happy with the results that I have been getting from this Rescue Balm. I'm going to go ahead and get ready for the day, maybe apply a little bit of makeup, and I will check in with you guys tonight. It's 8 o'clock on a Saturday night, day 6. All is going well. It covers up really nicely with makeup. It doesn't look irritated, so all is going well. It is day 7, and overall I am very impressed with the Rescue Balm. I think that it worked really well, and I'm excited to keep using it to see how it continues to heal, because obviously the cystic ones that I have, they do have a little bit more healing to go, but this one right here, like I said, it kind of pretty much totally went away on about day 3, maybe 4, but it was pretty much just completely gone, totally flat, which is so good. So it took about 3 days to heal. Obviously cystic pimples do take a little bit longer, so 7 days, I mean, they're almost gone. They have a little bit more healing to do, but for a cystic pimple, those are harder to treat, so those do take a little bit longer to heal. So my skin now versus when I started using the Rescue Balm, I feel like looks quite different. I feel like my skin now looks a lot better. As you could tell from all the check-ins at the beginning, the blemishes were very red and angry looking, and now, you know, this one's completely gone and the cystic pimples are almost completely gone. A lot better. And hopefully also you could see throughout all the check-ins is that each day the blemishes did look less red and less irritated, and were also just decreasing in size as well. So the tricks that I have for using this product, they're not necessarily tricks, but I feel like the best way to really get the results is, of course, be consistent with it. I would apply it about 2 times a day, well, at least 2 times a day. I would do morning and night, but sometimes I would even apply it throughout the day. Like if a pimple was feeling irritated, I would add a little bit more. So just be consistent with it. And a little hack with this Rescue Balm is if you have like a little dry patch of skin, you can totally apply the Rescue Balm to it, and I feel like that really helps. I actually had a little bit of a dry patch over here throughout the week, and I just applied the Rescue Balm and it like really helped to get rid of that dry patch. Obviously I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for like eczema or anything crazy like that, but if you do have like a little dry patch on your skin or just a little dry area on your skin, you can totally use the Rescue Balm as that. So that's another little multi-purpose use. It doesn't just have to be used on blemishes, you can use it on dry patches as well. Also, I did gain a pimple up here, and it actually kind of turned into a scab. I know, kind of gross, but it was very irritated, and I applied the Rescue Balm to that, and it actually helped to really soothe it because it almost felt like a cut. I mean, it turned into a scab. I feel like the Rescue Balm really helped to calm it down and make it not hurt as much. But yeah, so that's another cool hack. So it doesn't just have to be used on pimples. So I would definitely recommend this to anybody who is looking for an acne treatment that isn't irritating or drying. A lot of acne treatments can be kind of drying. So I would recommend this to anybody who's looking for an acne treatment that is moisturizing but also treatment at the same time. I would recommend this to, of course, anybody who has acne prone skin, or even just somebody who gets pimples here and there. Maybe if you don't get pimples super often, but even if you get them sometimes, I would recommend this because I really think that the Rescue Balm just helps to really speed up that healing process. So overall, I am very happy with the results that I have gotten from the Rescue Balm. Also, the Mighty Patches, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you know, they do really help to kind of flatten that acne, and they do get that gunk out. It's kind of gross, but actually I was surprised by how much gunk it actually gets out, but it helps to just get all of the gunk out before actually putting on the Rescue Balm, which then helps to speed up that healing process. So I think these are a great little duo companion to use with the Rescue Balm. Also, if you are interested in checking anything out from Hero Cosmetics, I will have their website linked in the description box below. Also, I will have a discount code listed in the description box if you are interested in purchasing anything from them. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you do like clean beauty content or content about skin issues, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Alright, you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.